If you're planning a trip to Thailand anytime after May 1st, 2025, there's a new rule you cannot ignore. Before you land, whether you're flying in, crossing a land border, or arriving by sea, every traveler who isn't a Thai citizen now has to complete something called the Thailand Digital Arrival Card, or TDAC. And this isn't one of those optional travel forms. If you show up without it, immigration will stop you right in your tracks. But don't worry, once you understand how it works, it's quick, straightforward, and honestly easier than the old paper forms. Let's walk through how to fill it out from start to finish, how to avoid mistakes that slow people down, and what to do if you need to update anything before your flight. If you follow along step by step, you'll breeze through immigration when you land. To begin, open the official Thailand Digital Arrival Card website. Make sure it's the official one. There are already copycat sites popping up trying to charge travelers for this form, but the real TDAC is completely free. When the page loads, you'll see two choices. One, for submitting a new arrival card, and another for updating your details later. Go ahead and click Arrival Card to start fresh. The first section is all about your personal information. You'll enter your name exactly as it appears in your passport family name first, then given name, and add a middle name if you have one. Then enter your passport number and choose your nationality from the drop-down menu. You'll add your date of birth, your gender, and your occupation. You don't need to overthink that part. Student, freelancer, retiree, engineer, anything that describes you is fine. Next, you'll see a spot asking for your visa number. Here's the simple rule. If you already have a visa that was issued by a Thai embassy or consulate, enter the visa number. If you're entering visa-free or using visa on arrival, leave it blank. The system will accept that. After that, add your country of residence, the city you currently live in, and your phone number. It can be your home number or a Thai number if you already have one. They aren't going to call you. Once that's done, you'll move on to the travel information section. This is where most people get confused, so here's what you need to know. The TDAC only lets you select an arrival date within the next 72 hours. So if you're planning early, you won't even see your travel date appear yet. You'll need to wait until you're closer to your departure, usually within 3 days of landing. Next, it will ask for the country you're traveling from. This means where your flight originates, not where you hold residency. If your trip starts in London, it's the UK. If you're crossing a land border from Cambodia, you choose Cambodia. Straightforward. Then select your purpose of travel. Most visitors will choose holiday, but if you're coming for a job, study, or other long stay visa reasons, choose what fits your actual purpose. Then pick your mode of travel, air, land, or sea, and your transport type. If you're flying a regular airline, choose commercial flight. Then enter your flight number exactly as it appears on your boarding pass. There's also a space to add your onward or return travel. It's optional, but immigration may ask you for proof of onward travel when you arrive, especially if you're entering visa-free. Even if you skip it here, have something ready to show later. A bus ticket, a flight booking, anything proving you'll eventually leave Thailand. Now, for your accommodation details. Start by choosing your accommodation type: hotel, condo, apartment, Airbnb, whatever applies. Then choose the province, district, and sub-district. After that, enter the postal code and full address. If you're not sure about every detail, check your booking confirmation. And if your trip includes multiple hotels, that's totally fine. You only need to enter where you'll be spending your first night in Thailand. Next comes the health declaration. This part is short, but important. The TDAC asks which countries you were in during the last 14 days. If you had a layover longer than 12 hours, that country counts too. If your itinerary included a country with yellow fever risk, the form will ask if you have a yellow fever vaccination certificate. If you do, enter the date and upload the document. If you're traveling from the US, Canada, Europe, Australia, Japan, or most of Asia, you won't be asked for anything extra. Just move on to the next step. After that, you'll be asked to confirm whether you've had any recent medical symptoms. If not, select none. It's quick and routine. Once you've completed the health section, the system will show a full preview of your information. This is where you want to slow down and double check everything: your passport number, your name spelling, your arrival date, and your accommodation. You can fix pretty much anything later except your passport number. So make sure that part is perfect before submitting. When everything looks good, enter your email address, agree to the terms, and hit submit. You'll instantly see a confirmation screen, and you'll also get an email with a PDF copy of your TDAC. Save it on your phone and maybe even screenshot it. You'll need to show it at immigration when you land. If your plans change, you switch hotels, your flight number updates, or you extend your trip, you can go back to the same website and click Update Arrival Card. Make your changes there and download the new confirmation. Just remember, your passport number cannot be changed after submission, so double check that from the very beginning. This new digital system is designed to speed up immigration and tighten border control. And honestly, once you do it once, it becomes incredibly simple. The biggest mistakes people make are trying to apply too early, entering the wrong flight number, or not matching their passport name exactly. Avoid those, and you'll have no issues at all. One last thing, yes, there will be support desks at the airport if you forget to fill out your TDAC. But those lines move slowly, and the whole point of the new system is to avoid that. If you want a smooth, fast entry into Thailand, definitely complete the form online before you fly. There will be a link in the description to track your status. If this walkthrough helped you out, make sure to subscribe for more travel tips and updates about Thailand and Southeast Asia. Safe travels, and I'll see you in the next one.